When selecting a circuit tracer, there are several factors to consider. The Amprobe CT326B offers the advantage of locating wires up to 13 feet underground. It also features a bright, easy-to-read display and the capability to identify wires with different colors. It also includes a ground fault locator, which can be beneficial in certain situations. However, the Amprobe CT326B is more expensive than the Greenlee 2011, and it is also larger and heavier. On the other hand, the Greenlee 2011 is more affordable and compact and lightweight. It is also simple to use. However, it does not locate wires underground and has limited identification capabilities, identifying only live wires. If locating wires underground is a primary requirement, the Amprobe CT326B is the better choice due to its ability to detect wires at a depth of up to 13 feet. Functionality is an important consideration. Ensure that the device has the necessary features for specific applications. Durability is also important. Choose a tracer that is built to withstand the rigors of a job site. Accuracy is another key factor. Consider the accuracy of the tracer and whether it meets specific requirements. A warranty provides peace of mind. Check the warranty period and terms to ensure support if the device malfunctions. User reviews indicate that both the Amprobe CT326B and Greenlee 2011 are well received. The Amprobe is praised for its accuracy and advanced features, while the Greenlee is appreciated for its simplicity and value. Ultimately, the best circuit tracer depends on specific requirements and budget. If underground wire location is needed, the Amprobe CT326B is a worthy investment. If a more affordable and basic option is desired, the Greenlee 2011 is a solid choice. Firstly, consider the type of wiring involved. Is it residential, commercial, or industrial? The complexity of the wiring system will influence the features needed in a circuit tracer. Secondly, assess the environment where the tracer will be used. Is it a clean, organized space or a cluttered, potentially hazardous job site? The durability of the tracer becomes more crucial in demanding environments. Thirdly, think about the frequency of use. Will the tracer be used daily, weekly, or only occasionally? For frequent use, investing in a higher quality, more reliable tracer may be worthwhile. Fourthly, consider the level of experience. Is the user a seasoned electrician or someone with limited electrical knowledge? A simpler, more intuitive tracer might be better for beginners. Fifthly, think about the types of faults that need to be located. Is it simply identifying a breaker or tracing a wire? Or is it locating ground faults or short circuits? Some tracers offer specialized features for specific fault types. Sixthly, consider the power source. Does the tracer require batteries, or does it have a rechargeable battery pack? Battery life and convenience are important considerations. Seventhly, think about the size and weight of the tracer. A bulky, heavy tracer can be cumbersome to carry around, especially in tight spaces. Eighthly, consider the display. Is it easy to read in various lighting conditions? A clear, bright display is essential for accurate readings. Ninthly, consider the accessories included with the tracer. Does it come with different probes, adapters, or carrying cases? These accessories can enhance the tracer's versatility and usability. Tenthly, factor in the cost of ownership. In addition to the initial purchase price, consider the cost of replacement parts, batteries, or calibration services. Choosing the right circuit tracer involves careful consideration of individual needs and priorities. The Amprobe CT326B excels in underground wire location and offers advanced features, while the Greenlee 2011 provides a more affordable and user-friendly option for basic tracing tasks. Evaluate the requirements carefully and choose a tracer that best suits the specific applications and budget.